Hello everyone, Brett from Living Whole here. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm going to show you how to install our countertop reverse osmosis 4-stage system. So one stage of granular activated carbon, one stage is the reverse osmosis membrane, third stage is granular activated carbon for polishing, the fourth stage is the alkalising and re-mineralising stage. So really simple. You're going to get an adapter. You're going to get the unit as it comes here in some plastic. Really simple. The white hose goes directly on your tap. Your blue hose is for your filtered water. Your black hose is for your wastewater, all food grade hoses. So we're going to pull those off. Now, every Australian home, not every, but most of them, will have what's called a water saver. So really simple. This one's got a couple of flat pieces on it. You might need to use something else, but simply unscrew your water saver. Keep that, obviously, if you're a renter or you might need that later on. We supply an adapter with the systems, just in case your tap is a male or a female thread. So really simple. Ours requires the adapter. Let's screw that in going anti-clockwise. Really simple. Now, I'm just going to finger tighten that and give it a couple of nips with the pliers here. If it's not tight enough, when you turn the water on, you'll notice the water coming out the sides. So really simple to know whether you've got it firm enough or not. We're going to fit the connection tap, the diverter. Once again, screwing in, it's got to line that thread up correctly, anti-clockwise. Really simple. I'm going to give that a little nip with the pliers as well, just to make sure it's on firm. Really simple. Couple of nips. That's on firm there now. I can still move that around. What you've got is a diverter tap here. When the diverter tap's down, it's going straight through the tap. Unfiltered water, good for your dishes or whatever you're using it for. Once you kick the filter tap up, then it's going straight through the reverse osmosis system. So it's really simple. Diverter tap up, that's the installation, we're done. Just set that up as you see fit. And let the filtration begin. You're going to need to let it run for 20 minutes to half an hour to flush those filters. Let the air bubbles get all pushed out of them. And over the next 2 weeks, you're going to see the flow rate increase on this system. So as it starts off, the flow rate is generally very slow. As all of the air bubbles get pushed out over the next couple of weeks, your flow rate will begin to increase. With the RO systems, you should always use them with some form of storage because they're a very high quality level of filtration, but they are not fast. So yeah, these are excellent systems, great for renters, all with USA built OmniPure filters in there, and the alkalising filter as well. So excellent systems. If you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call.